Hello? Fine girl. How are you? Okay. My name is Donwise. One of my friends give me this number. No, there's something very important.
They play. They play.
Yes. Yes. My friend tell me that you normally do woke up, she? Okay. How much? Give me 100K. I bet now one month to 100K. Okay, no problem. Send me your account number so that I can forward you the money.
It is
You
what
are
it
sending?
is. It is what it is.
Okay, I will send the money right now. I have sent the money, for almost 1 hour now. I send the money for you. You seen it. So what time you go come now? I don't understand. You go church. You when I church day, man come pick you. Man don't come. I don't understand.
He shock you.
You don't give your life to Christ.
Sorry.
Very soon like that. Hey. Okay, you know what you do? You do me favor, refund my money back.
We don't know why it's going on.
Refund my money back. You used to pay tithe. I don't understand. Like seriously, you used my money pay tithe. I send you.
I am too much.
No, it's for my good.
Oh, I'm not too much.
This girl, you never see her.
No me for choco, the love for pity.